What is going on today, everybody? Today we're here in beautiful Dayton, Ohio, and we're going to be going around and doing our regular thing, stress testing the First Amendment right to record in public, seeing how the public and or the public officials act if they do arrive out here today. So as usual, thank you for being here. Stick around. Well, all right, everybody, today we are at the Off the Charts dispensary here in Dayton, Ohio. And I'm not sure if it's called the Garden Dispensary now, or if that's just under new management, or what exactly. It didn't say that on Google Maps, so it's a little bit different. I wasn't expecting that. But we are right off the highway type area here today, so we should have a bunch of traffic. So let's see how it goes out here today. So as far as I can see right now, I see one camera right there, another one facing directly at me, one more over here facing their parking lot in the street, right down the street, right into the public. So I don't think we should have any problems with cameras here today.
Alright guys, welcome to today's video. What starts as a normal First Amendment audit outside a dispensary in Dayton, Ohio quickly begins feeling unpredictable. The auditor sets up near a busy roadway, casually documenting the area while checking security cameras and public reactions. At first, everything appears calm, but the atmosphere slowly changes as traffic builds and random attention starts turning toward the camera. Within minutes, the situation begins drifting away from a routine public recording into something far more chaotic.
Parking lot is starting to fill up now.
the parking lot starts filling up, tensions rise fast. A loud confrontation suddenly erupts nearby, completely changing the tone of the audit. A visibly angry man storms into the scene yelling aggressively while people nearby begin reacting in real time. The energy becomes unstable almost instantly, and what looked like another ordinary encounter suddenly feels like it could spiral completely out of control. The cameraman stays recording while trying to avoid escalating the already heated situation.
What's up? I'm not gonna take his bad day out on me.
If he try anything with you, we're gonna beat his ass.
Yeah? Well, I'll keep the camera on him. I appreciate the help.
Follow me, bro?
Hey, don't take your bad day out on me.
No. Hey, are you videoing?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, get the f***ing camera.
Hey, get the f away from me. Get the f
I'll
away
knock
from
your
me.
motherfucking ass out. Hey, listen.
Away from me.
Hey,
Get
I'll
the away from me.
you makes me, bitch. I'll knock your motherfucking ass silly, boy.
Right now.
Get that f***ing camera off me, boy.
Away from me right now, bro.
Get the fucking camera off me, bro.
Dude,
Get the camera off me.
I'm not gonna take one more
Mind
step
your own
back.
business, dog.
I'm not gonna
Mind
take
your own
one
business.
more step back. Just go.
Confrontation reaches another level when the aggressive man moves closer and begins directly threatening the auditor over the camera. Profanity, intimidation, and physical posturing quickly take over the scene. But unexpectedly, bystanders step in and defend the cameraman, calling out the aggressive behavior before things become physical. Multiple people begin separating the situation verbally, preventing it from turning worse. What makes this moment stand out is how random strangers chose to intervene instead of ignoring the escalating conflict.
Just go. I am.
Nah, man, shit hangs up in my
Just
business.
go. Just go.
Hey, like I said, look,
have a good day.
get that camera off me,
Just
bro.
have a good day.
Doing his own thing, bro.
Just
I
have a good
seen
day.
that, but then he got in my business. He didn't have to turn the
Just have a
camera on
good
me.
day.
Thing, bro. Go about your business, man.
This thing's
Have
right
a
here,
good
but it
day.
ain't on my
Go about
face.
your business.
Take it easy.
Nah, I ain't doing that. Look, get the fucking camera off me, bro. Get the camera off me, we knock the fuck out. You still gonna sit there and video?
Yeah, I'm making sure you don't do no crazy shit.
Go fund you, son.
What's up?
Go fund you, son.
Hey,
Yeah, I'm making sure you don't do no crazy shit.
Go fund you, son.
What's up?
listen, y'all walk. Hey, y'all came up over here while he was doing his thing, bro.
Right.
Don't walk up on him like you about to do something to him, though, bro. Yeah, that's what you need to go and figure out, my nigga. Don't be coming up on him on that shit, bro. Fuck you think this is?
Appreciate you, bro.
Man, yeah, bro. I wasn't about to sit there and let nothing happen to you.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much.
Fucked up.
Hell yeah, bro. Glad there's some normal people out here like you still.
Y'all came up over here while he was doing his thing, bro.
Right, he was.
Don't walk up on him.
He's video. Hey, what the fuck is my bitch at? Hold on.
Yeah, that's what you do.
Look.
Coming up on him on that shit, bro. Fuck you think this is?
Appreciate you, bro.
Man, yeah, bro. I wasn't about to sit there like that.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much.
Fucked up.
Hell yeah, bro. Glad there's some normal people out here like you
Yeah,
still.
like, what type of shit is that, man? If you having a bad day, take your bad day to your fucking house. Take your bad day to your fucking house. Don't put that shit on nobody else. He thought this is, man. That's why the world fucked up how it is now. He just don't know. It's
Couldn't be
people
more
like me
right.
that'll whoop a motherfucking ass for trying to fuck with somebody that's doing their own thing.
I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you.
All right, bro. Have a good one, man.
You too, man.
The aggressive individual finally backs away. The situation still doesn't calm down completely. Witnesses continue discussing the man's behavior while the auditor explains that this type of encounter is unlike anything he has dealt with before. Concern shifts from the camera itself to the safety of a woman reportedly being chased nearby. The auditor contacts dispatch, describing erratic driving, threats, and dangerous behavior happening in traffic. At this point, the video transforms from a public audit into a potentially serious public safety incident.
Well, I gotta say, this is something that has never happened to me before while I'm auditing, so I'm gonna call the cops real quick just to make sure this guy doesn't do any crazy shit. Hang tight right here, and we'll be right back and listen to the call.
Regional dispatch.
How you doing? So I'm having a little bit of a problem here. I'm standing out on the road here outside of the Off the Charts dispensary in Dayton, Ohio. I have this guy in a truck. He's driving around chasing his girlfriend or his wife up and down the road and acting crazy, saying he's gonna beat her ass. Came up and threatened me, said he was gonna beat my ass. And you know, I'm here, I have my pepper spray, and this guy is acting completely erratic in a truck.
Can you see what he's wearing?
Yeah, I think he's in like a gray, like jeans, blue jeans. He's in his truck now driving. I think he's in blue jeans and a gray shirt. His truck is not hard to miss at all. It's in like half of his bumper is ripped off, and he's driving a trailer. And he's really chasing his girl around. She's really, really scared and freaking out and yelling and telling him to stay away from her. And she, you know, I was trying to see if I could help her out, but she was like running. She literally ran like through 6 lanes of traffic here to get away from the guy. So it's a pretty serious situation.
Okay, alrighty. I've got that call in.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry about that. I wasn't even paying attention. How's it going, man?
Waiting for officers to arrive, the atmosphere remains tense and unpredictable. Several people continue reacting negatively to the camera, throwing insults and threatening to involve police despite nothing illegal taking place. One person even compares the auditor to a well-known YouTube figure while mocking the situation. Meanwhile, the cameraman remains calm and keeps documenting everything from the public sidewalk. Even after the earlier confrontation, the hostility from random passersby never completely disappears.
Hey, you have a good day, all right?
You got my license plate on there?
What's up?
You got my license plate?
Not really. Why?
Alright, I'm gonna call the police.
Okay. What do you think they're gonna do?
After I let them, they were already talking about calling the police.
What are they gonna do? Nothing? That sounds about right.
They've already called the police. So I'm
Okay.
gonna call them too.
Sounds good.
You're trying to be like Nick Shirley. You will never be as famous or anywhere close to him.
All right. Who is Nick Shirley?
I've been here.
Oh, okay. And look at that. He could probably almost see me on his rear view camera right now, on his backup camera. That's funny.
They're coming.
Well, all right, everybody, that's going to be it here today from the Off the Charts dispensary here in front of me. And you know, I gotta say, I think that might have been a first for the auditing community, and that would have been absolutely off the charts, a different type of craziness. If the cops actually came around. It's been over like an hour, maybe just a little bit less since I called the police, so I don't think they're going to come around. I don't know if they found the guy, I don't know what. I'll have to look for it later. Maybe I'll see a story online or two. Or maybe you guys can identify that guy for me, and we'll see. Maybe we can get in touch with him later, or maybe we can figure out what the rest of the story is from here on out. But I gotta say, that was a different situation than I've ever dealt with before. I've never seen anybody that does what I do deal with this either, so it would have been a first. But other than that, the usual couple Karens, people don't know what they're talking about, getting upset over a phone on a sidewalk. It's absolutely ridiculous. The stupidity today here in Dayton, Ohio, besides the police for not showing up, has been absolutely off the chart. But overall, let me know what your favorite part was today in the comments. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you go subscribe and turn on those bell notifications to never miss the latest and greatest.
The video comes to an end. The biggest surprise is that police never actually show up despite the earlier emergency call. After waiting for nearly an hour, the auditor wraps up the encounter, reflecting on how unusual and chaotic the situation became. What started as a simple First Amendment recording session turned into threats, arguments, public intervention, and reports of dangerous behavior in traffic. In the end, the encounter leaves more questions than answers about what happened after the cameras stopped rolling. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.